Okay, we're going to have a look at the vocabulary on page 1 in 2 different goes. So the first one, we're going to look at this side of the vocabulary, and here we have the most important place in a Japanese town, and that's the station. Of course, the train station. There's the kanji, and it's pronounced eki, eki, the train station. And most people in Japan do travel around by train, so it's an extremely important place. Next, we've got the bus stop. Here we have it, bus. In katakana, it's from English, and te means a stopping place. And in fact, that's probably where you find the bus stays. The bus stays there whilst you hop on. Bus te, bus stop. Next we have supermarket. And of course, these days, almost no one puts the market on the end. It's just super. Next we come to this kanji here. It's pronounced ya. There it is, ya. And when it's put after a product, it means a shop selling that product. So we have the following places. We have a pan, ya. Pan, bread, ya, shop, a bakery. Okashi, a sweet, ya, shop. Okashiya, a sweet shop. Niku, that's meat. That's the slab of meat there, the cross-section of the meat. Ya is a shop. Nikuya, that's a butcher's. Kusuri, medicine. Kusuri. Add the shop and we get kusuriya. Kusuriya. Next we have a shop, a word for shop which is used not after a product but just on its own. So if you want to say, I'm just popping down to the shops, then this would be the word you would choose. And of course, because it's an everyday word, it often has honorific o in front of it, particularly when you're being polite or if you're a female. So, omise, I'm just popping to the shops. Omise ni ikimasu. Omise ni ikimasu. Finally, we have, oh, not quite finally, we have another pronunciation here of this character for shop. Here it is, and it's pronounced using its Chinese reading when it follows other kanji, and this would normally be written in kanji. It's pronounced using its on reading, that's its Chinese reading, and that's ten. Here it is here, ten. Now this one, kissaten. Kissaten, that's a coffee shop or a cafe. Sounds a bit like a kissing shop. I'm sure you wouldn't do that if you went in there, but it's a good way to remember it, kissaten. Finally, we have a word here, eiga. Eiga, that means a movie or a film, eiga. And this character here, and we'll look at the kanji later, this means a great big public building. So an eiga-kan is a cinema. Finally, we have the character here for to teach, kyo, and to meet, kai, kyokai, kyokai. And that's a church, you meet together and people teach you good things. And that's that for the first part.